When you think of outdoor audio, you probably picture like a little plastic Bluetooth cylinder sitting on a patio table, right? Just aggressively vibrating while it struggles to be heard over a light breeze.
Oh, yeah, and one accidental bump, and it's in a puddle, dead forever.
Exactly. But today, we're leaving the patio table behind to look at how the pros do it. So welcome to your custom deep dive. Today, we are unpacking the engineering behind the QSC AD-DWL-180.
Right, which is a professional landscape loudspeaker.
Yeah, and we want to see what it actually takes to, conquer the elements and deliver massive, pristine sound outdoors.
Well, surviving in the wild really starts with physical armor. I mean, a consumer speaker melts in the sun or drowns in the rain, but this unit carries an IP55 rating.
Okay, wait, IP55, so that means it's protected against dust and water.
Right, it's essentially sealed tight against heavy dust and even direct water jets from a hose. Plus, the shell itself is built from F1, F2 UL rated polypropylene and fiberglass.
Oh, wow. That's a mouthful.
It is, but it's an industrial engineering standard that guarantees the enclosure won't, warp in extreme summer heat or shatter when a lawnmower kicks a rock at it.
That is super practical. And it's bolted down with tamper-resistant stainless steel hardware, too.
Exactly.
But looking at the actual design, I mean, it's this unobtrusive, green, paintable exterior, but it uses an elevated bollard shape. It honestly looks like a piece of modern art hovering off the ground.
Yeah, it really does.
I have to ask, though, is there a functional reason to lift the speaker up into the air? Why not just bury it flush with the dirt so it's like a stealth audio ninja hiding in the bushes?
Well, placing a speaker flush with the ground actually turns the environment against you.
Mm-hmm.
Leaves, dirt, and dense landscaping act as, acoustic sponges.
Oh, so they just absorb the sound.
Exactly. They instantly absorb the high frequencies, which makes the audio sound completely muddy. So elevating the drivers inside that bollard physically clears the acoustic clutter.
Ah, I see. So the sound waves can travel unhindered over the ground cover.
Right. Keeping the audio crisp and clear for anyone walking by.
Okay, so the elevated design keeps the sound out of the dirt. But, I mean, that doesn't matter if the speaker lacks the horsepower to actually push sound through the open air.
Oh, it definitely has the horsepower.
Yeah, inside there's a 5.25-inch weather-treated woofer and a 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter hitting a 110 decibel peak SPL.
Which is basically pushing the volume of a live rock concert.
Seriously. And it's got a massive frequency range, right? Stretching from 55 hertz all the way to 25 kilohertz.
Yeah, the range is incredible.
But okay, let's unpack the coverage area because I'm a little hung up on this. It's restricted to 180 degrees. If you are designing for a massive open outdoor space, intentionally cutting off half the sound seems, counterintuitive.
Yeah.
Why not just go full 360?
What's fascinating here is that outdoor audio isn't just about making noise, right? It's about control.
Control.
Yeah, I mean, a 360-degree speaker wastes a ton of energy throwing sound into bushes or brick walls where literally no one is standing.
Oh.
A 180-degree angle lets you strategically aim the audio. You can blast a walking path or a patio area with pristine sound while completely sparing the neighbor's yard or the parking lot right behind it.
That makes a lot of sense. And they also run the audio through QSYS, intrinsic correction filtering, right?
Right. So rather than just pumping raw audio into the wild, this algorithm actively adjusts the frequencies to compensate for outdoor acoustics. It ensures the sound is perfectly tuned for that specific directional arc.
Wow. But pushing rock concert volume through advanced algorithms has to require serious infrastructure.
Oh, absolutely.
I mean, this unit operates on 60 watts RMS, meaning it can handle constant heavy power loads, but it integrates into the grid using 70 and 100-volt transformers.
Yes, and a 16-ohm bypass.
Right. So think about it like this. Hooking dozens of speakers up with standard speaker wire would be like trying to water an entire golf course with a single garden hose.
I love that analogy.
Right. Because you would lose all your pressure by the end of the line, so this transformer system acts more like a municipal water grid, ensuring equal pressure everywhere.
Exactly. Pushing an electrical signal over hundreds of feet of standard copper wire creates severe resistance, causing a massive drop in power. By the time the signal reaches the furthest speaker on a large estate, the volume is barely a whisper.
Oh, wow. So jumping to 70 or 100 volts fixes that.
Yep. Pumping the voltage up overcomes that resistance entirely. Every single speaker across a massive landscaping project gets the exact same power.
That's brilliant. And then you add in the direct-to-concrete mounting collar, though the burial base is sold separately, I think.
It is, yeah. But you're basically installing permanent architectural fixtures here, not just plugging in electronics.
Right. So true outdoor audio isn't just about brute volume. It requires rugged environmental engineering to survive the elements, precise directional control to focus the energy, and a scalable power grid to keep the audio flowing over huge distances.
Yeah, it's the invisible infrastructure shaping the entire environment.
Which leaves you with this final thought. The next time you are wandering through a perfectly manicured public garden or enjoying a perfectly balanced atmosphere at an outdoor venue, look closely at the landscaping. Are your emotions being covertly engineered by invisible green bollards hiding right there in the bushes?